Shakas, welcome everybody. It's Maka from Makaz Home. I just wanted to welcome all our new subbies to our little Ohana here, and I welcome you. Hope that you'll enjoy the journey along with me, and maybe pick up a few things along the way. So I'm here today to share more entries in my Memorydex birthday challenge I'm hosting. It does end next week, Thursday. That's the 31st, right? And I will be drawing the winner on the 1st. So let's get right into it. So I just, I cut open the side, but I didn't peek yet. But this is my first entry for today, and it is from, I think it's from Michele, Crafty Mama, but let me just confirm. Oh, look! You're all sorts of awesome love. Oh. So she got some die cuts. I like the shape of her Memorydex. She put stickles, I think, on the hearts and the butterfly. And then she shared the requested information with me on the back. And it just says, it's Michele, Crafty Mama. And she is here on YouTube as Michele Crafty Mama. She's from New Mexico. Her favorite colors are blue and purple. She was born in April on the 4th. And her favorite craft items are dies, stamps, and paper. Her favorite candy is Snickers, Heath, and any kind of chocolate. Yummy! Okay, so let's get into what she sent. Oh, this is pretty. Look at, and it's a happy birthday. And she just put a sticky note so I could reuse it. And let me just read what it says. Okay, so it says, Maka, I hope you have a blessed birthday and great new year. You are so sweet, and I'm glad that we're friends. Hugs, Michele, Crafty Mama. And so look at her birthday card. She did do a video on all of this stuff that she sent out, so I will put the link in the description below so you can go check it out. But she stamped out this happy birthday, and look at these balloons with all the little hearts. That's cute. And then she has a puffy cupcake sticker, and then she colored these presents, and then she backed it with black cardstock, and then it's on craft cardstock. And she inserted the white so I can write. This is one thing that I always forget to do, is to put, because I just figure you can write on this. I'm okay with it. But it does look better with the white, so someone can put their sentiment and note on it. Well, thank you, Michele. And then she did include the matching envelope. Okay. Oh, and she included some stickers. I don't have these. I like these. The kites. It's good. Summer's coming up. Look at the little pineapple. And these are puffy. I don't have any of these. And I don't have any of these. I haven't been to Dollar Tree lately. So I haven't, I'm trying to get rid of stuff, not buy more stuff. And so I'm trying to use what I have, and these will definitely help me use what I have here, or even help me not to go get more. These are nice. These are puffed up. And then these quotes, stickers. Well, thank you, Michele. Thank you for your entry, and good luck. The winner of my entry is getting a $47 credit to their PayPal account. So if you are wondering, there is still time for you to maybe work on something this weekend and pop it in the mail. But that's Michele's. And then I have another one from, it says Veronica Morales. And I just cut off the top. So let's, look at the yummies. You can see it already. Okay. Oh, let's see. Okay, I think this is just cushion. Yeah, for packaging. Okay. Let me see. Oh my gosh, look. How pretty are these rosettes? Look at the little envelope. Maybe I should be in the light so you can see it. Is there glare? Sorry if there is. And then this one is backed with a heart, glitter heart, and the arrow. And then this one with the sparkly hearts, another arrow, XOXO. These rosettes are cute. And then look at how cute this letter one is. And then she put some scatter, heart scatter in there. Oh, and there's something else on the back. Oh, look at these paper clips. Cute. Well, let's get to her entry. How gorgeous is this? Look at this. Can you see this? Just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm gonna have to show this to my girlfriend. She's getting married in March, and these are the colors of her wedding. Beautiful. And then she's got some scatter in here. I love this topper. This ribbon is adorable. Oh, and this is so cute. It's Minnie Mouse-ish. I like this topper here. Sorry. And it almost looked like there was lace, but I believe that's a paper. Oh, I don't want to like mess it up. Oh, maybe I don't have to. Woohoo, 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 woohoo. Okay, we got it. Let's see. Oh, it's a shaker. The shoe is a shaker. Look. Can you see that? The shoe is a shaker. Oh. This is beautiful. And look at the little card. It says moi. Cute. And then a silhouette of this lady, chipboard. And then some more of that ribbon. And then she embossed in the back too. I don't know if the... And she added this cute bow for detail. Okay. Oh, in the back is a letter, a pocket, tree, and she was born in November 5th. Her favorite color is gold. She loves See's candy and almond chocolates. Yep, I like chocolate with nuts too. She loves glitter, cardstock, and stickers. Oh, and here on YouTube, she's V's Crafty Corner. So I'm going to put her link below in the description, and you'll have to go check her out too. I love your Memorydex tree. And thank you, Michelle, for your entry. Both of you, good luck. I appreciate all the goodies you guys have sent. And I hope you guys are having a great weekend. Stay tuned for the next video. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to follow us on our little journey, you can hit the subscribe button, and then there's a little bell next to that. You can get notified when we upload new videos. Have a crafty weekend, and shakas to the next video. Shakas.